This morning, while sweeping the yard in front of my house, I accidentally picked up a snake plant that had been thrown away among a pile of dry leaves. At first glance, the plant had been separated, the roots were dry, and the leaves were ragged. Anyone would think the only option left was to throw it away, but for some reason, I still stopped, picked it up, and brought it home. Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. In today's video, I will try to revive this very snake plant, using only simple ingredients that are available right in the kitchen, easy to make, and applicable for everyone at home. Can a plant that seems hopeless come back to life and become green and healthy again? Watch until the end to find out what will happen. Let us get started. After bringing the plant home, the first thing I need to do is rinse it under clean running water. This step helps completely remove dirt, sand, and bacteria attached to the leaves, stem, and base. At the same time, washing also removes impurities that have accumulated over time while the plant was left outside, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. When the plant is cleaned, its surface becomes more ventilated, helping it recover more easily, limiting infections, and creating favorable conditions for the next treatment and repotting steps. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, so that it has time to rest and adapt. This helps reduce shock to the plant, limits excessive water loss, and creates favorable conditions for the root system to recover and develop steadily again. During the waiting time, I will prepare an organic fertilizer solution to help the plant recover and grow better. Do you have turmeric powder at home? Turmeric powder is not only a familiar kitchen ingredient, but it also contains natural compounds with antibacterial properties that help protect plant roots and limit fungal diseases while the plant is weak. First, prepare a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to help the active compounds in the turmeric powder dissolve more easily. Next, add 1 spoon of turmeric powder into the cup. Turmeric powder contains curcumin, an active compound with natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that helps prevent root rot and protect the plant. At the same time, it also supports root recovery, stimulates the growth of new healthy roots, and enhances nutrient absorption. Then, use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the solution is completely mixed. Stirring thoroughly helps the active compounds in the turmeric powder disperse evenly in the water, allowing the plant to absorb them in a stable and effective way. At the same time, this ensures that the solution maximizes its antibacterial effect and supports root recovery throughout the entire usage process. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution sit for 1 hour. During this time, I prepare the potting soil as shown in the video. Loosen the soil in the pot to improve aeration and prevent compaction. This allows better air circulation and helps the roots grow more easily, absorb water, and take in nutrients more effectively during the recovery stage. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After about 1 hour, when the turmeric solution has completely cooled, I use a strainer to filter out all the residue, keeping only the clear liquid without any sediment. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the turmeric solution. Now, the solution is ready. At this point, use a spray bottle to take a suitable amount of the solution and prepare for the next step. For the remaining solution, place the snake plant into a container and soak it for about 15 minutes. This process allows the solution to gently penetrate the root area, providing antibacterial support, cleaning harmful agents, and stimulating root recovery. Use a soft cotton pad, dip it into the solution, and gently wipe the entire surface of the snake plant leaves, especially both sides of the leaves. Wiping the leaves provides many important benefits. It removes accumulated dust, which reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize. At the same time, it cleans bacteria, fungi, and small insects attached to the leaves. In addition, the solution creates a mild antibacterial environment that helps protect the leaves from harmful environmental factors. Moreover, when the leaf surface is clean and well ventilated, gas exchange and light absorption become more efficient, helping the leaves become naturally glossy green and reducing yellowing or spotting. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After 15 minutes, gently remove the plant from the solution. Next, use a soft cloth to gently wipe and absorb any remaining water on the leaves and roots. This helps prevent water from accumulating too long, which can cause rot or create conditions for fungal growth. At the same time, drying the plant gently helps the surfaces of the roots and leaves remain well ventilated, prevents damage to soft tissues, and helps the plant stabilize quickly after treatment, preparing it for the repotting stage. Now comes the most important step. Wear gloves during the process to keep your hands clean and to ensure safety by limiting bacteria from your hands coming into direct contact with the roots and any cut areas of the plant. Next, use a gardening tool to dig into the soil and create a planting hole that matches the size of the root system as shown in the instructions. Creating a properly sized hole allows the roots to have enough space to grow and prevents them from bending or folding. Then, gently place the plant into the center of the hole, keep it upright, and arrange the roots evenly around to improve soil contact. Finally, slowly fill the soil back in, pressing lightly around the base to secure the plant, helping it stand firmly and ensuring good contact between the roots and the soil. Now the snake plant has been successfully replanted. At this point, simply pour the prepared solution into a spray bottle and spray evenly over the entire plant. Spraying helps distribute the solution evenly across the leaf surfaces and root area, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gently and effectively. At the same time, this layer of solution provides antibacterial support, limits fungal diseases, and helps the plant reduce stress after planting. It is best to spray in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid strong sunlight causing rapid evaporation, allowing the solution to work more effectively and support better recovery. You can also use this solution to care for other plants in your garden. In this example, I use it to spray rosemary, anthurium, and peace lily. The turmeric solution provides many benefits due to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect plants from harmful environmental factors. In addition, it helps clean leaf surfaces, improves ventilation, and enhances photosynthesis efficiency. When used regularly and correctly, plants will grow stronger, leaves will become greener and shinier, and common pest and disease issues will be reduced. Additionally, to improve the aesthetics of the pot and help retain soil moisture, I will cover the surface with a layer of small pebbles. This layer of pebbles not only helps reduce water evaporation and maintain stable soil moisture, but also prevents soil from splashing out during watering. At the same time, it creates a protective layer that limits the growth of moss and weeds. Furthermore, adding pebbles makes the pot look neater, cleaner, and more professional, while also contributing to a stable environment for healthy root development. That is everything I wanted to share with you about planting this plant. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss simple yet effective plant care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.